Stop paying for AI. Stop worrying about credits, stop dealing with watermarks, and stop signing up for endless free trials that are designed to make you pay. For the last few years, creating custom images and videos with AI has felt like a compromise. You either pay a monthly subscription for the best tools, or you settle for the free versions that are slow, limited, and stamp their logo all over your work. The message has always been clear. If you want quality and freedom, it's going to cost you. But what if I told you there's a platform that throws all of those rules out the window? A tool that I've been testing that offers unlimited AI images and yes, unlimited AI videos completely for free with no account and no registration required. Today, I'm showing you everything. This is the complete guide to Vheer AI. If you're ready to unlock a full suite of professional-grade AI tools without ever reaching for your wallet, you'll want to stick around. And if you want more guides on game-changing tools like this, do me a huge favor right now and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on more high-value content. All right, let's dive in. Before we get to the unlimited video, which I know is why many of you are here, we need to start with the foundation. Creating any image you can imagine from a single line of text. This is where Vheer first blew my mind with its simplicity and power. This is it. No complicated settings, no confusing menus, just a box for your imagination. Let's try a prompt right now. Something specific. How about a hyper-detailed cinematic photo of a wise old owl wearing a tiny ornate golden crown sitting on a pile of ancient books in a mystical library, soft moonlight filtering through a window. We can choose our aspect ratio. Let's go with 16:9 for a widescreen look, and we hit generate. And just like that, here it is. Look at the detail in the feathers, the glow of the moonlight. It's incredible. And here's the critical part. I didn't spend a single credit. There's no watermark. And I can download this in high resolution right now and use it for anything I want, even for commercial projects. Now, I need to be real with you for a second, and this is important. We have to understand the trade-off here. This platform is giving us literally unlimited generations for free. That is not clickbait. So, is the quality going to be identical, pixel for pixel, to the absolute top-tier, industry-leading paid models? Of course not. It would be insane to expect that. But for what this is, a completely free, unlimited, and accessible tool, the quality is absolutely phenomenal and more than good enough for 99% of the projects most of us are working on. I think that's a completely fair and understandable exchange. Before we jump into the most important part, I want to quickly recommend NordVPN, the tool I personally use to stay secure online. With NordVPN, you can instantly connect to servers in over 60 countries, so you can try out new AI tools or apps that aren't available in your country, and watch movies or shows that are normally blocked in your region. It's super fast, very easy to use, and it keeps all your data safe from hackers and trackers. And the best part? If you check it out through my link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll get over 70% off your plan. More privacy, more freedom, and a huge discount. Don't miss it. This alone is a game changer for content creators, marketers, or anyone who needs custom visuals. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Vheer isn't just a basic image generator. It's a full creative suite designed to give you total control. First, it has a powerful image-to-image tool. You can upload any photo, a sketch, a product shot, a selfie, and completely reimagine it with a text prompt. You can take a simple drawing you made and ask it to render it as a photorealistic image. Or you could upload a photo of your pet and ask it to recreate it in the style of a Studio Ghibli animation. It uses your original image as a guide for the composition and then transforms the entire aesthetic. But this is where it gets really interesting. There's a feature called the Kontext Editor. Think of this as a powerful AI restyler. You can upload any image and then guide the AI to transform it into something new. Let's upload a simple photo of a modern city street during the day. Now, in the prompt box, I can just type, reimagine this as a futuristic cyberpunk city at night, with glowing neon signs, rain-slick streets, and flying vehicles. The AI will take the core structure of the original photo and completely overhaul the style, the lighting, and the elements to match that new vision. It's an incredibly powerful way to explore different moods and genres with a single starting image. And for all the creators and small business owners watching, this next one might be your favorite. It has a one-click AI background remover. You just upload an image and instantly it gives you a perfectly clean cutout with a transparent background. Yes, it's also unlimited and free. The days of painstakingly tracing around an object in Photoshop are over. All right, unlimited high-quality images, powerful editing, that's already an unbeatable package. But now, for the reason you clicked on this video, unlimited AI video. Let me be clear on how this works. Vheer's tool is an image-to-video generator. It takes any static image, one you've just generated in Vheer or any picture you upload, and brings it to life with subtle, beautiful motion. So let's imagine we've just created a brand new image, a stunning, epic, matte painting of a lone wanderer standing on a cliff overlooking a vast alien desert, with two suns setting on the horizon and giant crystal formations dotting the landscape. We take that incredible static image and upload it to the image-to-video tool. We can choose a duration of 5 or 10 seconds. Now, we can give the AI a simple motion prompt to add some life to it, something like slow pan across the landscape, clouds drifting gently, subtle heat haze rising from the sand. We hit generate, and we wait just a moment while the AI works its magic. And there you go. Our epic, static landscape is now a living, breathing scene. It's perfect for making your social media posts stand out, creating animated logos, adding life to a presentation slide, or just turning your favorite AI art into something more dynamic. And I'm going to say it again because it's so important. No watermarks. It's free for commercial use, and you can do this as many times as you want. There are no limits. So let's recap. We have an unlimited text-to-image generator. We have an image-to-image transformer. We have the incredibly powerful Kontext Editor for stylistic changes. We have a one-click background remover, and we have an image-to-video generator to animate our creations. All of this is in one place, accessible from your browser, completely free, and without even needing to create an account. This isn't just a single tool, it's an entire creative toolkit that rivals many paid services. And I haven't even touched on the other utilities the site offers for free, like file compressors and fancy font generators. Now, to be 100% transparent, this video is not sponsored. I have no affiliation with Vheer AI. I'm just a creator who is genuinely blown away by what this platform offers right now, and I had to share it with you. The direct link to Vheer is the first one in the description below. I truly believe that tools like this are changing the game for creators everywhere, breaking down the financial barriers and putting the power to create directly in our hands. I hope this guide helps you create amazing things. If it did, let me know in the comments what you're going to create first. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides on the best AI tools, and I'll see you in the next one.